Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to apply color preset on Instagram post. So simply tap on your Instagram application and then tap here the plus icon the bottom side of your screen. Then select a picture or videos you're going to upload. So I'm just keep this one and tap the next. So you can see it's an original picture, but here we'll see like Paris, Los Angeles, page. So here is some color preset. So you can try like this is look, and this is more colorized, and you can try all the preset are awesome. This is white and black. So you can there are some shadow, some like twisted. So I think this amazing Jakarta, Abu Dhabi, and there are some country like some city. You can try all the presets are really amazing. I just give the final one, or I can try the one here Jakarta. It's look pretty well, or wavy, or there is something you can try. And after that, simply tap the next and processing, and you can also click the share, then your post will be shared. So okay friend, today's normal, and thank you for watching.